We are ready for a brand new week. Let's get it. So today, obviously, just to have the right expectations, we talked about this obviously last week as the week ended, but it's a no news Monday again. So these days, usually you should have the expectation that it's going to be a little bit more rangy, slower price action. That's obviously not what happened. It was that last week or 2 weeks ago we had a no news Monday, and price moved a shit ton. But again, I think that was a little bit out of the ordinary. SMT divergence at these highs between ES and NQ, which I actually like that you spotted that. That was good. It looks like it gave a little bit of a move. It's kind of just ranging up here, but again, kind of expected for a no news Monday. So, my plan of action, especially on a day like today, is I'm really just gonna take what the market's gonna give me. I'm not gonna anticipate like big runners. Doesn't mean big runners can't happen. They definitely can happen. But it's just, like I said, I think when they do happen on a no news Monday, for the most part, it's a little bit more so like, well, again, you shouldn't go into a no news Monday kind of expecting that to happen. So just some things I got my eye on here. I could see price pulling back into here before finishing off this move. But either way, I believe this is, at this point, it's pretty apparent that price wants to reach for that on a higher time frame perspective. So let's drop back down here to the 15-minute chart. Taking a peek at, just the sessions. Obviously, we've swept the previous PM session high on NQ already, right? So we swept that. That's what created the SMT divergence. We got this hour ending here in about 60 seconds. And I believe this SMT will yield a move. And I believe that draw on liquidity will become these lows. The question will become is when we take out these lows, are we going to get a reaction to the upside? I wouldn't mind getting in for a short in favor of that draw to the downside, and then letting that kind of be the move for us, grabbing our profit and running. So let me go ahead and do this quick. I'm gonna mark both of these lows. I'm just gonna mark this low as that draw on liquidity. Dropping back down to the 1 minute. This is kind of that displacement down I was looking for, guys. So if we get obviously a fair value gap to form right here, I'm gonna get ready to get short. All right. So I'm just going to mark this out. Just get ready. This candle closes about 30 seconds. A little short position. One nice thing about a no news Monday is it allows these stop losses to be not very big at all. Obviously, that also coincides with the take profit as well. They're not very many points, right? It's only 3 points versus 7 points for a target. But yet it looks like such a huge range. All right, well, yeah, limit order. I'm going to put my stop at this recent high. And I'm gonna target this low right here. I'm able to risk less than a 0.5% on this, while also being able to gain about 1%. Let's see. If I go for 8 ticks, or I'm sorry, 7.5 points, so 2 ticks below that low on ES, that'll put me right at 1%. So I'm gonna do that. I don't know. Maybe that's the wrong attitude to have. Maybe for some reason, because I'm a trader, maybe I should be like excited to listen to him speak. I have no idea, but. Yeah, I have no idea. All right, guys, I just got triggered in. There we go. All righty, folks. This is TP, this green line down here. Once we start taking out those lows from Asia and London. But yeah, risk-free. Not willing to take a loss at this point. I mean, if price comes back to the fair value gap, it comes back to the fair value gap. Hopefully not needed though. I notice NQ obviously consequent encroachment. Hopefully there's no reason for price to want to come back. Do you reckon Jerome Powell is participating in No Nut November? No, ain't no way. That guy's like the Hugh Hefner of Wall Street. We are taking out this low, something to just be mindful of, I guess. Hopefully it doesn't come back to bite us. We're taking out the low on NQ, that is, this recent low. And bouncing off the new week opening gap. I don't want to see price bounce here, obviously. I want to see price follow through to these session lows. Got out at 1 to 2. What is this risk reward, actually? Oh, 2.5. We did hit 1 to 2, didn't we? Yes, we did. We did take out London low. We got Asia low right below. And I'm out. All right, guys. It might still play out here, but fuck. No, November can. You know what? you know, and then try to catch it again. But I mean, I guess I'll say this. Yeah, I mean, we went stop to break even after being up a 1 to 2, I guess. And then price comes back, stopped at break even. Would have been stopped out at stop loss even if we hadn't done that. Otherwise, if that doesn't happen, I'm anticipating a sweep of this liquidity. That's what I want to see happen. And then let's see if we can get this set up again. So I just want us to be able to catch it and not get left behind. And a 5-minute chart. Ooh, got me in. All right. Yeah, guys, I think this will be my last trade of the morning, though. Honestly, if this setup were to fail and keep pushing higher, I mean, I don't know, maybe the bias is wrong then. I'll go risk-free again once we break below these lows in the new week opening gap. Pretty much inside of this fair value gap. And, yeah, let it ride. Take 2 off here. That's my plan at least. And then take 1 off here. Actually, I could just move this, can't I? But hey, at least we didn't get stopped out. Woo! We did just come down into this fair value gap. That's so funny. Please don't bounce here. You know it's bad when you start saying please to the market. The market's supposed to be saying please to us. Someone asked me a while ago, like, we should do like PM sessions, like not PM trading sessions, but like PM nighttime sessions, like going over everything from the day. I got stopped at break even, by the way. Yeah, just be smart. Don't get emotional and overtrade or do something silly. And I will see you guys on the live session tomorrow morning. Have a good day, everybody. Peace out.